YouTube? Redrix here, and today is a special day, the 19th of November, the release date for the PlayStation 5 here in Europe. I'm from Denmark, so I just got mine today, no longer than an hour ago. We have it right here. Let's unbox the PS5. And guys, excuse me if I'm talking this way, because I'm live streaming this on Twitch as well. So if you want to see me play some games in the future on Twitch, live streaming, playing some PlayStation 5 games. I'm gonna be playing some Spider-Man, Miles Morales. I'm gonna download some of the PS Plus free games for the PS5. Head over to Twitch. The link is in the description box down below for you guys to check me out on Twitch, and we can play some games together as well. So let's just dive straight into it. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know if I said it earlier, but yeah, I'm gonna talk this way sometimes because I'm live streaming this on Twitch right now, the unboxing of the PS5, and I'm gonna read the chat. So I'm gonna both be talking to you guys on YouTube and these guys on Twitch. Alright, let's dive straight into it. What is up? Have you guys seen my Instagram post, my TikTok post? Huh? Shh. Shh. I don't give a flying. It is what it is. The freaking unboxing of the PS5, yo. Alright, guys. Up here, I am recording for YouTube, so behave. Behave. I'm gonna do some unboxing right now live on Twitch and for you guys here on YouTube. Let's dive straight into it, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? There we go. Okay, on YouTube, here you go. This is the box. And for you guys on Twitch, there we go. Let's see what's in the box. So my YouTube. Yeah, I have to do the review, man. So basically, for you guys on YouTube and you guys on Twitch, I'm gonna stream this probably first time tomorrow, which is Friday afternoon. PS5, bro. It's a PS5 in the digital or normal one? Normal. The disc version. So yeah, YouTube, the chat just asked if I pre-ordered the digital or disc version, and this is of course the disc version. I cannot wait. Yeah, boy. Yannick, yo, Yannick in the chat. He is also a fellow PS5 bro. He just got his, like what, 30 minutes ago? Digital are for newbies, for fuck's sake. What's in here? So we have the manual. I cannot wait for the controller, man. Okay, we've got the power cable right here. Oh, and we have the stand. Oh, HDMI. TTV BP the boy. Guys, the controller is right here. So thin, man. Holy sh... It's thin. And it's all... It's not even... Looks like a paper. But it feels good. It doesn't feel like there's any buttons in it. Okay, it's a joke. Here we have it, you guys. Oh, it feels amazing. YouTube, I'm gonna show this to Twitch first. I don't know if you can see the texture behind the controller. I don't think so, but I'll try. Oh no, you guys cannot see it. But YouTube, here it is. The freaking controller for the PS5. It feels amazing, yo. Compared to my PS4, hold on. I mean, the PS4, no doubt about it, also feels amazing compared to the PS3. But this is a whole new world. Amazing, amazing. You guys ready for the actual PS5? Oh my god, YouTube, Twitch fam, it's huge. Look at this. Hello, baby. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Aww. Oh, yes. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, Pog. Now, how do I make it? I'm gonna boot this up later. So this was simply just an unboxing for now. Yo, I gotta read the manual. Oh, it's heavy. It's a monitor. Yeah. Oh, it's hot, man. It's so hot. Alright, I'm gonna give a quick message to YouTube, okay? Yo guys on YouTube, I just wanna say thank you for watching so far. This was simply just an unboxing of the video, of the PS5. I cannot speak, I'm just too excited. If you wanna see me game some games on the PS5, man, we'll be playing some Miles Morales, Spider-Man. Head over to Twitch, the link is in the description box down below for you guys to check me out on Twitch, and I'll see you again next time. Peace out.